Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add or activate a track, whether it's a video track or an audio track in Shotcut, right? But before you get started, I just want to ask you, like, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and smash that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. With that being said, let's get started. So a track or a video track, whether it's a video track or an audio track, is just something where you can place your particular video that you are working on, that you are cutting up, whether it's a video or an audio or a picture for that matter. So let's say, for instance, let's just find a simple video and then that you want to work on. Let's say we put it in here in our Shotcut, right? It's now showing here. So now this is just playing, right? So we want to actually start cutting it up. So to do all that, we have to place it into a track, and then we have to put it into a timeline. So to activate a track or to add a track, there's actually two ways you can do that. So I'm going to show you the longest way first and then the shortest way. So the longest way you can do all that is just by coming here to this hamburger icons here, and then just click on that, and then you can add video track or an audio track. So in this case, let's add an audio or a video track. Now you see you got that video track added right there, right? So that's the longest way you can add a track. And that's the same way you can also add an audio track. Like I show you, just come to this hamburger and then add. If it's an audio track, we have that this is your audio and then this is your video track, right? So you can actually drop this video down to this track. As you can see, you have now dropped it down to that track, right? So that's the longest way you can add a track. Just come here and then drag it and then click on the audio, right? So to remove the track, you can just right click on it, right? And then you can come to remove track and then right click on this audio and then remove track. So that's how you can remove it. So that was the longest way you can create a track. Now the fastest way is just come to the video, whatever you want to start cutting up, then just grab and then drag it and then drop it down into your timeline. So once you drop it down, you see it will automatically create a track for you. Alright, so you created a track. So that's the quickest way you can create a track. Just come here and then drag it down, right? So and then again you can create as many video track as you want on top of each other, right? That's the first one, and then as you can see you have that. Those are two, right? So you can create track as many as you want, right? Perfect. So yeah, you can that's how you can create or how you can remove a track. So yeah, hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and smash that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.